everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have discussed about the examples of exercise number 2.3. So today we will be doing the questions of exercise number 2.3, that is question number 1 to question number 4. Okay students, so we will discuss these 4 questions in today's class. So let's start with the very first question. What is your first question? That is, find first part 1 upon 4th of these 3 parts. Alright students, so in this first question what you need to do, you need to find out 1/4 of these 3 parts. In the last class we have discussed about what of is. Of means multiplication students. So what it means? 1 upon 4 multiply by these 3 things. Alright students, so we will be starting with first question's first part. Okay, what is that? 1 upon 4 first of A parts 1/4. Okay students, 1 upon 4 of means multiplication upon 1 upon 4. Alright students, when you are going to multiply the fractions together, what you need to do? You just multiply the numerators separately and the denominators separately. Alright students, just multiply both the numerators and the denominators. So 1 into 1 is equals to 1 and 4 into 4 is equals to 16. So the answer of this part is 1 upon 16. Alright students. Similarly, we can solve the next part. What is that? B part, that is 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. That means 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 5. What it means? 3 into 1 upon 4 into 5. That means 3 into 1 is equals to 3, 4 into 5 is equals to 20. So, this is equal to 3 upon 20. Alright students. Now, talking about the third part. What is that? 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. It means 1 into 4 upon 4 into 3. This is 4 upon 12. Students, you can clearly see that in the numerator it is 4 and in the denominator that is 12. You can also write it as 4 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. You can commonly divide 4 from both the numerator and the denominator, right? So that is why we can have this particular thing in the lowest form. 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1 and 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. So the answer will come out to be 1 upon 3. Alright students, so this is your first part. Alright students, now we will be doing 1 upon 7th of these parts. Alright, so the second part, that is 1 upon 7 of 2 upon 9. Second's first part, 1 upon 7 of 2 upon 9. It means 1 upon 7 into 2 upon 9. That means 1 into 2 upon 7 into 9. That means 2 upon 63. This is your answer of this part. 2 upon 63. Now this 6 upon 5. B part, 1 upon 7 of 6 upon 5. Okay students. Now of means multiplication. 6 upon 5. That is 1 into 6 upon 7 into 5. That means 1 into 6 is equals to 6 and 7 into 5 is equals to 35. Okay students. So this answer will turn out to be 6 upon 35. Next part students, 1 upon 7 of 3 upon 10. Okay. So this is 3 upon 10. Of means multiplication. 3 upon 10. That means 1 into 3 upon 7 into 10. That means 3 upon 70. Alright students. So this is your B part. Okay, C part. Second part's 3 questions. 2 upon 3, 6 upon 35 and 3 upon 70. Alright students. So these are the first 2 parts of first question. Okay. So let's move to the next question. What is that? Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Okay. So you have to multiply both the fractions. Okay. And then if you have multiplied it well, check whether it is in the lowest form, and if it is in the lowest form then it is okay, and if it is not then you have to put that up into the lowest form. Means no common table should be divided from these two, okay, the numerator and the denominator. Alright students, so let us discuss the first question. What is this? This is in the mixed fraction. So firstly you need to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction, right? So this is 2 upon 3 into 3 into 2 is equals to 6, and 6 plus 2 is equals to 8, okay, 8 upon 3. So 2 into 8 upon 3 into 3, 2 into 8 is equals to 16 and 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Alright students, now you can clearly see 16 upon 9. Just tell me whether 6 and 19 has anything in common? No, they haven't anything in common. 6 factors are 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 4 and 8 and 16, whereas the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Alright students, so students, this is already in the lowest form, okay, they don't have anything in common according to the numerator and the denominator. Alright students, now we will be discussing about the second part. This is 2 upon 7 into 7 upon 9. Students, in the first method you can clearly see this is 7 and this is 7, okay, this is 7 and this is 7, they both are in division, right? First thing is in the numerator and second thing is in the denominator, and they can be cancelled out. Alright students, they can be cancelled out, okay, because they are in division and multiplication. Alright students, so it can turn out to be 1 into 2 into 1 and 1 into 9, okay, so it can be 2 upon 9. So this can be your answer. This is the first method that you can solve this question with. Also students, 2 upon 7 into 7 upon 9, this is 2 into 7 upon 7 into 9, okay. In this, clearly this is 14 and this is 63, right? This is 14 and this is 63. Now students, you can clearly divide the numerator and denominator from the table of 7, because they have one thing in common, that is 7, okay. They both can be divided on the table of 7, so it is not in the lowest form. This is not in the lowest form. Alright students, so we will divide it by 7. So 14 divided by 7 is equals to 2 and 63 divided by 7 is equals to 9. So in this method you can clearly do the cancellation part with the help of the division part, and in this you are clearly seeing 7 and 7 both can be cancelled out because it is in the numerator and one thing is in the denominator. So this can be cancelled out, okay. So you can solve this question by both the methods. Alright students, now we will be discussing for the next question. What is it? 3 into 6 upon 8 into 4, okay. 3 into 6 is equals to 18 and 8 upon 4 is equals to 32. Alright students, firstly clearly you can see they both are the even numbers, the numerator and denominator. It means it clearly indicates that it is not in the lowest form, okay. So what will you do? Firstly you can divide it by the table of 2, okay. So divided by 2, divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9 and 32 divided by 2 is equals to 16. Alright students, you can have a look here. Alright students, you can clearly have the thing, okay. So the answer will turn out to be 9 upon 16, okay. So now this is in the lowest form. Now I will be doing the next question. What is it? 9 upon 5 into 3 into 5, 3 upon 5. So 9 into 3 upon 5 into 5. So it is 27 upon 25. Clearly they don't have anything in common, so it is already in the lowest form, okay. In this question students, 1 into 15 upon 3 into 8. This is 15 upon 24. Clearly 15 and 24 are together coming on the table of 3, okay. So we will divide 15 upon 24 from the table of 3, divided by 3, divide by 3, this is 5 and this is 8. Alright students, this is 5 and this is 8, okay. So the answer will turn out to be 5 upon 8, okay. So next we'll be seeing the next question. 11 into 3 upon 2 into 10, that is 33 upon 20. Okay, so clearly they are already in its lowest form because they don't have anything in common. Okay, next question is 4 upon 5 into 12 upon 7. Okay, so 4 upon 5 into 12 upon 7, 4 into 12 upon 5 into 7. So 48 upon 35. Alright students, now they are already in its lowest form because they don't have anything in common. Okay, next the question that we are going to discuss is third part. Multiply the following fractions. Okay, now you have to just multiply the fraction. Okay, similar case that we can see. 5 1 upon 4, that is 2 upon 5 into 5 into 4 is equals to 20, and 20 plus this 1 is equals to 21. So it is 21 upon 4. Okay students, so 2 into 21 upon 5 into 4, 42 upon 20. Students, 42 upon 20 are both the even numbers, so that they can be divided on the table of 2. Okay, so divided by 2, this is 21 upon 10. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, the next question is, we'll discuss this question here. 2 6 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. 6 into 5 is equals to 30, 30 plus 2 is equals to 32. 32 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. Okay, so 32 into 7 upon 5 into 9. So it means 224 upon 45. So this is your answer. Alright students, so the answer will turn out to be 224 upon 45. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, now we are going to discuss this question. 3 upon 2 into, change it into the improper fraction. 5 into 3 is equals to 15, 15 plus 1 is equals to 16, 16 upon 3. Clearly students, they can be cancelled out from each other because they both are in the numerator and denominator. Alright, so 1 into 16 upon 2 into 1. Okay, that is 16 upon 2. Alright, 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8. Alright student, what is it? This is 8. So answer is 8. Okay, so this is the answer. Now we will be discussing the next question, that is multiply the following fraction. The same thing, the same question, the different parts. Okay, change it into the mixed improper fraction. 2 into 7 is equals to 14, 14 plus 2 is equals to 16. So 5 upon 6 into 16 upon 7. Okay students, so 5 into 16 upon 6 into 7, that is, the answer will turn out to be 42. 6 into 7 is equals to 42, and this will turn out to be 80. Okay, 16 into 5 is equals to 80. Clearly the both are the even numbers, so we'll divide these numbers from the table of 2. So it will turn out to be 40 upon 21. Alright students, so this is your answer. Okay, it is in the mixed fraction, so you have to convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction, right? So 3 into 5 is equals to 15, 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. So 17 upon 5 into 4 upon 7, 17 into 4 upon 5 into 7, 68 upon 35. Alright students, so this is your answer. Okay, the next question, convert this into the improper fraction, right? 5 into 2 is equals to 10, 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. So 13 upon 5 into 3. So the answer will turn out to be 39 upon 5. Answer. Alright students, so this is very easy, very simple. What you need to do in the fractions, you need to multiply both the numerators, numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. That is the product of numerator upon the product of denominators. Alright students, now we will be discussing and practicing more questions. That is question number 3rd, 7th part. Okay, convert this into the improper fraction. 3 into 7 is equals to 21. 21 plus this 4 is equals to 25. Now students, you can clearly see this is 25 and this is 5. In the first method, this 5 can be cancelled out with the 25 because 5 into 5 is equals to 25. So, 5 into 5 is equals to 25. Why I have done this? Because I know that 25 is equals to 5 into 5, okay, and this is 3 and this is 7 into 5. So, 1 5 can be cancelled out from 1 5. So, the rest of the things will be 5 into 3 upon 7 into 1. So, it means 15 upon 7, okay. So, this is the first method that you can solve the questions with, okay, and in the next method you can also do it like 25 upon 7 into 3 into 5, okay. Just multiply the numerators and separately the denominators. What will turn out to be? This is 75 upon 35. Clearly, the last digit of these is these numerator and denominator is 5. That clearly indicates that 5 can be divided with both the numerator and the denominator, okay. So, 75 divided by 5 upon 35 divided by 5, okay. So, 75 divided by 5 is equals to 15 upon 7, okay. So, you can solve this question by two different methods, method 1 and method 2, okay students. Very simple, very easy, okay. You can have a look. So, let us move to the next question students that we are going to discuss, that is question number 4. What is it? Which is greater? This of is greater or this is greater? We will separately find out these two things. This is 1 and this is 2. For example, okay, 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4, okay. This is 2 upon 7 into 3 upon 4. 2 into 3 upon 7 into 4, 6 upon 28. Clearly the even numbers both of them, okay. So, divide that by 2, 3 upon 14. So, this will turn out to be 3 upon 14, alright students. Now, we will solve the second part, that is 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. So, 3 upon 5 multiply by 5 upon 8. So, 5 and 5 can be cancelled out from each other. So, this is 3 upon 8, okay. So, this is 3 upon 8. Now, we have to find which is greater, this is greater or that is greater, okay students. Now, clearly the denominator of both these things are not at all same. So, firstly we have to make them like fractions, okay, by taking the LCM of their denominators. So, taking the LCM of 14 and 8, 14 and 8 on the table of 2, starting with the least. 14 divided by 2 is equals to 7 and 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4, then 4, then 7, 56, okay students. So, the LCM of 14 and 8 is equals to 56, okay. Now, we will make the denominator of both these fraction equal to 56, okay students. So, firstly 3 upon 14 into 56 divided by 14 is equals to 4, alright students. So, we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator from 4, okay. So, 3 into 4 upon 14 into 4. So, that is 12 upon 56, alright students. So, this is 12 upon 56, okay. Now, students, the next thing, that is 3 upon 8. 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8, okay. Yeah, 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8. So, we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 7. So, 3 into 7 is equals to 21 and 8 into 7 is equals to 56. So, this will turn out to be 21 upon 56, alright students. Clearly, the denominator of both these things are the same, alright. So the greater the numerator is, the greater the number is, the greater the fraction is. So this denominator is greater, this numerator is greater, that means this is greater, okay. This is greater and this is greater and this is greater, okay. So which is greater? 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is greater. Alright students, so this is greater, okay. So this was your question first, okay, of fourth, okay. Now we will discuss another question, that is which is greater, this one or this one. This is 1 and this is 2, the similar thing, okay. So 1 upon 2 of 6 upon 7, that is 1 of 2 into 6 upon 7, that is 1 into 6 upon 2 into 7. Clearly 2 and 6 can be cancelled out from the table of 2 into 1 and 2 into 3, okay. So this is 3 upon 7. So this will turn out to be 3 upon 7, okay students. And now the next part, that is 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 7. So that is 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. So 3 and 3 can be cancelled out. So this is 2 upon 7. So what is this? This is 2 upon 7. Now students, these both are the like fractions, okay, because their denominators are the same. So we can easily compare them, right, because their denominators are the same. Greater the numerator is, the greater the fraction will be, okay. So the numerator of this is greater, so the fraction which is greater is this fraction, okay. So this fraction is greater. Alright students, so this is greater, okay. So in this particular class we have discussed about the first 4 questions of exercise number 2.3, okay. So in the next class we will be discussing about the next questions of exercise 2.3. Till then, do practice at your home. Have a nice day. Bye bye.